We're eating puffs. Chew it up. Did you get it in your mouth? Yes, you did. Chew it up. Good job. Yeah, good job. No, your hands are gooky. You chew it up. Look right here. This one right here. Get it in there? Nope. It's on your lip. Here. Did you get it? There you go. Yeah. You didn't get it in there. It's there. Get it in your mouth. Good job. Chew it with your teeth. Yeah, you want this, don't you? How do you like that puff? Okay. Nice. Yes, okay. Bye-bye.